from Kanti Degree College. Now we can discuss the preparation of alkanes. Preparations of alkanes. This is the first unit. Okay, the first topic is preparation of alkanes. Okay, reduction. Reduction means the addition of hydrogens. Plus means addition. Okay, minus means removal. Okay, reduction means addition of hydrogens or removal of oxygen molecules. Okay, addition of hydrogens or removal of oxygen. Okay, oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogens. Okay, removal of hydrogen molecule. Okay, here preparations of alkanes. The first one is Sabatti's Sanderin's reaction. Sabatti's Sanderin's reaction. Okay, here I can take next. We can already discuss. This is alkane. Next, this is alkene. Next, this is alkyne. Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Okay. In this case, only substitution reactions are placed. Okay. Only substitution reactions can be possible. Okay. Why? Because these hydrogens are removed. These hydrogens can be replaced by another atom. Okay. Not breaking this bond. Okay. So alkanes undergo only substitution reactions. Nucleophilic arousal. Okay, substitution reactions takes place in alkanes. Okay, but in alkenes and alkynes, addition reactions can be takes place. Why? Because one bond is breaked. Okay, next this can positive and this can negative charge is present. So another atom is added. That means these two are undergo addition reactions. Okay, alkanes undergo substitution reactions only. That means these hydrogens can be replaced by another atoms. Okay, in alkenes and alkynes, addition reactions can be takes place. Okay. Next, here I can take alkene. That means two carbons are present. That is eth. Okay, double bond is present. So ene. That means ethene. Okay, this is two carbons are present. So eth. Triple bond is present. So ine. Y and E. Okay. I can take ethene. That is CH2 double bond CH2 can react with H2. That means reduction can take place in the presence of Raney-nickel metal. Okay, Raney-nickel to form addition reactions can take place. That means here one bond is breaked. Here one bond is breaked. These two hydrogens, one is here, is formed. That means to form alkane CH3. Okay, this is ane, single bond. This is ene. Two carbons are present, so ethene. This is two carbons are present, so ethane. Okay, substitution reaction can take place here. Ethene can react with hydrogen in presence of Raney-nickel. One bond is breaked, so we can form ethane. Okay. The second example is we can take ethine or acetylene. Ethine or acetylene. Acetylene can undergo reduction in presence of Raney-nickel to form. Okay, here one bond is breaked to form CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, ethene is formed. This ethene can react with with H2. Okay. Next, in the presence of Raney nickel to form, okay, this bond also break to form CH3, single bond CH3. That means this is ane. Okay, single bond. That means ethane. Okay, this is ethene. Double bond is present. This is ethyne or acetylene. Okay, this is Sabatier-Sanders reaction. Okay, the next reaction is Uch reaction. Uch reaction. The second reaction. The second preparation is Uch reaction. In Uch reaction, we can take two molecules of alkyl halide. Okay, alkyl. Okay, alkyl means either methane, ethane, propane. Okay, and so on. Or ethene, methane. Sorry, methane not. Ethene, propene. Okay, butene. Okay, next. Alkyne means acetylene, propyne, butane also. That is called alkyl. Methane. This is methane. Carbon atom is attached with 4 carbon atoms. So it is one carbon is present. So meth, single bonds are present. So ane, methane. Okay. Next. I can remove the one hydrogen from this methane, that is CH3. The remaining bond is attached with another atom. The remaining bond is attached with another atom. That is, we can remove the H plus ion. Okay, these can called methyl. Methyl. Methyl means one hydrogen is removed. Okay, next one. Another hydrogen is removed. That means two bonds are attached with another atom. Okay, that is called methylene. Okay, that means alkyl. Alkyl group means hydrogen is removed. Okay, alkyl. X means halogens. What are halogens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, I can take two molecules of alkyl halide can react with sodium metal. Okay, 2 moles of alkyl halides can react with sodium metal. Okay, in the presence of dry ether, we can form alkanes with NaX. 2 NaX. Balanced. Okay. Next. Example. I can take. This is methyl CH3. Okay. This bond is attached with another atom. That is anything. Is attached with chlorine. This is methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. I can take 2 molecules of methyl chloride. Can react with sodium metal. Okay. In the presence of dry ether, to form ethane. That means CH3 single bond CH3 plus 2 NaCl. This is the Uch reaction. The third preparation is, okay, these all reactions are preparations of alkenes. So we can prepare the alkanes. Ane. That means single bonds. This is ethane. Okay, this is methyl chloride. Okay, next, the third preparation is Uch fitting reaction. Here, one molecule is aromatic alkyl halide. This is aromatic ring. Okay, aromatic alkyl halide. Okay, the another with is aliphatic. Aliphatic means side chain. Here. Okay, here two carbons are present. So eth. Okay, next in ethane one hydrogen is removed. So ethyl. Ethyl. And bromine is present. So ethyl bromide. Okay. One is aromatic alkyl halide, that is bromobenzene. This is bromobenzene. And another is ethyl bromide. This can react with sodium metal. Same in presence of dry ether to form. Okay, here Br, Na, Br is eliminated. Okay, Na, Br is eliminated. Here 2 moles of Na. So 2 Na, Br is eliminated. You can form benzene. Okay, here CH2, CH3 is formed. That means CH2 and CH3. This is ethyl group, this is benzene. So ethyl benzene, this is alkane. Okay, ethyl benzene is formed. This is the Wunsch-Fittig reaction. The next preparation is Korehouse synthesis. Korehouse reaction. Korehouse reaction. Here I can take alkyl halide. This is alkyl halide. Can react with lithium metal. Can react with lithium metal. Okay, to form alkyl lithium. Okay, alkyl halide can react with 2 moles of lithium metal to form alkyl lithium plus lithium halide. Lithium halide. X means halogens. Okay, lithium halide. These lithium alkyl lithium. This is first point. The second reaction is the formed alkyl lithium can react with copper iodide. Can react with copper Cu. Okay, copper iodide to form dialkyl lithium cuprate. Okay, here you can take 2 moles of alkyl lithium. These can react with copper iodide to form dialkyl or lithium dialkyl cuprate. Okay, plus another, here one lithium is present and here iodide is present. Lithium iodide is formed. Okay, in this case alkyl lithium is formed. These alkyl lithium can react with copper iodide to form lithium dialkyl cuprate and lithium iodide. And the third reaction is the formed dialkyl lithium cuprate can react with another alkyl halide R-X, alkyl halide to form alkanes. Here substitution reaction takes place. Okay, now we can take example. Okay, example in this reaction. Okay, I can take, this is methyl, take chlorine. Okay, alkyl halide means I can take example methyl chloride. Methyl chloride can react with lithium metal, 2 moles of lithium metal to form alkyl lithium. That means methyl lithium plus lithium chloride LiCl is formed. Okay, these formed in second step. The formed methyl lithium. Okay, the formed methyl lithium can react with copper iodide to form dialkyl 2 modes. Dialkyl, that means CH3 twice. Okay, lithium and copper. That means dimethyl lithium cuprate. Dimethyl lithium cuprate plus here iodine present lithium. So lithium iodide. Okay, and then the next point is the formed dialkyl lithium cuprate can react with another alkyl halide. Another alkyl halide means here I can take ethyl chloride. CH3 CH2 Cl. CH3 CH2 means ethyl. Okay, chloride. Okay, to form CH3 here, these can be dissociated. This can be dissociated into R minus. Okay, R minus and LiCuR plus. Okay, R minus and LiCu plus. So nucleophilic substitution is takes place. Here CH3, this is nucleophile, can replace in this chlorine atom. That means CH3, CH2, CH3 is formed. One CH3 is here. That means here CH3 minus is a nucleophile. Okay, here nucleophilic substitution is present. So this chlorine is replaced by this nucleophile, that is CH3 minus and CH2 and CH3. Plus remaining CH3Cu plus LiCl. CH3Cu LiCl. That means this is propane. This is propane. 3 carbons are present. So prop. Okay. All are single bonds. So ane. Propane. Next this is methyl copper. Next this is lithium chloride. Okay. These 4 are the preparations of alkane.